was a child, I used to do karate, but now I like to go skating and play badminton. Do, go, and play. In English, we have 3 different words when talking about sports. Hi, welcome to Jen's Jyugyou. My name is Jen, and today you're going to learn about the differences between do, play, and go for sports. When talking about sports, some sports we use the verb play. For other sports, we use the verb go, and for other sports, we use the word do. There are actually a couple of guidelines or rules to help you remember when to use each verb. We use play when talking about sports that are a team sport or some kind of competitive sport. When we use play, the sport also usually has some kind of a ball or similar item like a puck or a birdie. I like to play badminton. Many Canadians enjoy playing hockey. He plays baseball. She plays soccer. They play football. In elementary school, I played volleyball. The Williams sisters play tennis. My niece plays basketball. When we use do to talk about sports, we usually use do for sports that are individual. In addition, do usually is connected to some sort of discipline that is involved in the sport. There's also usually no ball. When I was a kid, I did karate. I've never tried to do yoga. It looks difficult. It takes a lot of practice to do archery. Many young girls enjoy doing gymnastics. He does judo. She does taekwondo. They do kendo. We also use do when we talk about exercise in general. I should do more exercise. In English, we use go to talk about sports where we actually need to travel and go to a different place in order to do those sports. Sports using go usually take up some space or need a special area to do them in. In addition, most of the sports that we use go with also end in ing. In the wintertime, I like to go skating. I hate to go running. Many people like to go swimming at the beach. My friends invited me to go climbing this weekend. I went skiing once, but I didn't really enjoy it. My father and I used to love to go bowling together. I've never gone snowboarding before. In the summer, I like to go cycling. There are 3 sports that people often make mistakes with because they end in ing, but they are 3 sports that we will use do with because they involve a sense of discipline. So those 3 sports that people often get confused with are boxing, fencing, and weightlifting. So you do weightlifting, you do boxing, and you do fencing. So today, you have learned the rules for when to use play, do, and go with sports. Hopefully now you'll be able to use the correct verb when talking about sports. And now it's time for Question of the Day. For today's question of the day, in the comments below, please tell me what are some of your favorite sports and how often do you play them, do them, or go to do them? Let me know your answers in the comments below and be careful to use the correct verb. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. If you found it useful, please subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou and give this video a thumbs up. Good luck with your English studies. See you in the next lesson.